Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we confidently call the best Sousvide Supreme Cooker on the market. The INKBIRD Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker, model ISV-100W. Whether you're an aspiring home chef or a seasoned pro, this device is going to elevate your kitchen game in a big way. Let's get right into it. Right out of the box, the INKBIRD ISV-100W feels like a serious piece of culinary tech. It's sleek, lightweight at just 1.5 kilograms, and stands tall at 16.14 inches. With a minimal footprint, it easily clips onto most pots or containers. The build quality is solid, with a clear LCD screen and tactile push buttons, not touch sensitive, which is great for wet hands in a kitchen environment. Now here's where it gets impressive. This machine delivers a full 1000 watts of power. That means it heats water fast and can maintain an even cooking temperature throughout a 15-liter capacity. It's quiet too, clocking in at under 40 decibels from a meter away. That's whisper quiet, even if you're cooking overnight. The precision of this device is what truly makes it stand out. The temperature ranges from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 210 degrees Fahrenheit, or 25 degrees Celsius to 99 degrees Celsius, and it holds your desired temperature with pinpoint accuracy, within just 0.1 degrees Celsius. There's also a timer you can set for up to 99 hours and 59 minutes, giving you full flexibility for both quick and long-haul sous vide recipes. But what sets the ISV-100W apart is its smart connectivity. Once connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, the cooker syncs with the INKBIRD Pro app. Through this app, you can monitor, control, and even start your cooking process from anywhere. Whether you're at the office, in the garden, or just lounging on the couch, control is literally in your pocket. Plus, the app includes 14 preset recipes curated to help even beginners cook like chefs. One feature we love is the built-in calibration function. If you ever feel the need to fine-tune the accuracy of your sous vide, you can adjust within a range of plus or minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it not just precise, but reliably so, over time. As far as safety goes, the ISV-100W comes equipped with water shortage protection. It won't run dry and burn itself out, which adds peace of mind. Although it doesn't support over water level protection, so you'll want to keep an eye on that if you're filling it near the maximum line. Using the INKBIRD ISV-100W is as straightforward as it gets. Clamp it to your pot, fill with water, plug it in, set the time and temperature on the LCD screen or via the app, and you're good to go. Whether you're cooking steak, fish, eggs, vegetables, or even desserts, this cooker will handle it with professional-level precision. So, who is this for? Anyone who wants restaurant-quality meals at home without needing a culinary degree. From seasoned sous vide users to first-timers, the INKBIRD ISV-100W makes the process simple, smart, and satisfying. If you're looking to take your kitchen to the next level, the INKBIRD Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker ISV-100W is our top recommendation. Fast, smart, quiet, and precise, it checks all the boxes. That's why we're calling it the best Sousvide Supreme Cooker. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews of products that deserve a spot in your home. See you in the next one.